today's video, I'm gonna try to cover the common mistakes that students do during their G test on highway. So I'm gonna go to the highway and I will tell you the mistakes, and I hope you will follow the instructions and you will be good to go for the test. So whenever you're doing a lane change, make sure that you will check your blind spot, and here you must check your blind spot again. So we have to check the blind spot twice here. Earlier we did for the lane change, and the second time we took turn, so for that we checked the right side blind spot. So any sign is in a black and yellow that you can see in 30 is a recommended speed. So if you can control your car at 40, you can go on 40 here. And as soon as your car is straight, you have to try to speed up. So a lot of people, they don't speed up, they wait for the last minute to speed up. So try to speed up as soon as you can, and try to do the merging as soon as you can. Don't wait for the last minute to speed up. That's the major mistakes that people do during their test. Another mistake, one examiner says do the lane change to the left and come back to the right lane. If there is a car on the blind spot, or if you're thinking that somebody is coming very fast, don't block their way. Don't do the lane change. If you will not do the lane change, they cannot fail you. You will do the lane change only when it's safe to do so. A quick signal here, and we're gonna take exit. So here it says 50. Right now I'm driving almost at 70, so I will leave the gas pedal and let my car slow down by itself. If brake required, you can apply brake as well, but the best way is leave that gas pedal. Your car gonna slow down by itself. I'm gonna make a left turn, so I will stay in the left lane, and signal has to be on. Keep checking your surroundings. Check your rear view mirror as well every 5 to 8 seconds. So for highway, make sure that you will speed up as soon as you can. Otherwise, it's going to be hard for you to do the merging. So we always drive as per the road condition, weather condition, and traffic flow. So the traffic flow on the highway is very good, weather conditions are good, and road conditions are also good. And for lane changes, do it when it's safe to do so. If it's not safe, don't try to attempt. Take your time, do it when it's safe to do so. So I'm gonna go to the highway again for 401 East. So I should know that where is the sign and which lane I should be. So before left turn, must check your blind spot on the left hand side. So now I can see that if I want to take exit, I have to come to the right lane. So I'm gonna do the lane change to the right. So this sign means only right turn. So at this ramp, there is no speed posted, so I will go at the speed that I can control my car. So a lot of people, they do mistake when there is no speed posted. They go very fast and they realize that they're going very fast, and they try to slow down and they are slowing down so much. So try to go at the speed you can control the car. If you will look far, you can handle the car easily. And as soon as your car is getting straight, make sure that you will try to speed up quick. So as you can see that right now the traffic flow is very slow in front of me. So I'm gonna do the merging at 80. So mirror, signal, blind spot. I have to maintain the distance from the vehicle in front of me and at the back as well. So it's not important that you have to do the merging at 100. You will do the merging according to the traffic flow, according to the weather condition, according to the road condition. So this guy is moving slow, I cannot do anything, so I'm gonna go slow as well. I have to try to maintain 5 to 6 car distance. Keep checking your rear view mirror. So I'm gonna do the lane change to the left when it's safe to do. So I'm not gonna take risk. I will do it when it's safe to do so. So there are a lot of cars are coming, so I will take my time. So now I'm gonna do the lane change. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and then I'm gonna turn my wheel. So do the lane change when it's safe to do so. Keep checking your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. So a lot of people, they do a mistake, they don't check their rear view mirror, or they don't move enough their head. So move your head, not your eyes. So you have to move your head so that the examiner can see that you're checking your rear view mirror. So I'm gonna do the lane change to the right. So I will take my time. So this guy, he's also driving at 100, I'm driving at 100. So I'm gonna leave my gas pedal so that he can go ahead a little bit. I'm gonna give signal. I will do the lane change. So take your time, read first, and then do the lane change. So I will take exit from here. So a lot of people, they do a mistake, they don't check their blind spot at this point. So you're changing lane, so you must check your blind spot at this point. And come in your lane first and then try to slow down. Don't slow down before coming to the lane. I'm gonna go to the highway again. So I'm gonna do the lane change and must check my blind spot here. Since I'm in a turning lane, my signal will remain on. So my light is green. Before turn, I should check my blind spot. So a lot of people, they don't check their blind spot before turn. So must check your blind spot. So again, it's a 30 recommended speed. So when it says 20, 30, 40, that means those turns are a little sharp. So be careful over there. As soon as your car is straight, speed up. So it says in 300 meters my lane gonna end, but I'm not gonna wait for 300 meters. I'm gonna do the lane change as soon as possible. Keep checking your rear view mirror so that you will be aware about the traffic behind you. I'm gonna do the lane change to the left. So always keep eye at the front and at the back, and then do the lane change, the lane you're gonna go. So right now I can see that there is a car approaching on my blind spot, so I'm gonna let him go first. I will not try to attempt the lane change. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and then I will turn my wheel. So a lot of people, they do a mistake for the lane change as well. They check their rear view mirror, or sometimes they forget their signal and they do the lane change. Or sometimes what they do, they give signal but they don't check their blind spots and they try to attempt the lane change and they get failed during their test. So make sure that you will follow the pattern. It's called mirror, rear view mirror, signal, and then blind spot, and after that you will move your steering wheel, not before that. On highway, we try to keep 5 to 6 car distance while driving. So I'm gonna do the lane change. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and I will do the lane change. So you must know that how to take exit. So here it says 2 lane are for exit. So the lane on the right hand side and the lane I'm driving right now, I can also take exit from this lane. So once you approach here, when you're able to see the V point, you should give a quick signal, cancel your signal. Once you approach to the V point here, leave the gas pedal and cover your brake. Let your car slow down by itself. If you think you need to apply a little brake, you must do it. So again, we're gonna go left. So as soon as you're able to see the road marking, you must give signal. And before turn, you must check your blind spot. So I'm gonna do the lane change to the right again. Right side blind spot check. So at this ramp there is no speed posted, so I will go at the speed that I can control my car. Try to stay in between the line. So as per examiner, the yellow line and white line is a curb. If your car goes on that more than 3 seconds, he's gonna mark you for that. As soon as your car is getting straight, you have to speed up. Try to speed up as soon as you can, hit 100 and then do the merging. Don't wait for the last minute to speed up. We'll do the lane change to the left. So mirror, signal, blind spot and lane change. So try to maintain your speed while doing a lane change. A lot of people, they also do a mistake. They reduce their speed when they do the lane change. You will reduce your speed if somebody is driving slow in front of you. Otherwise, you will not reduce your speed. So mirror, signal, blind spot. Here we can see that there is a one lane for the exit. So we have to come to this lane only. And when you approach to the V point, you have to leave the gas pedal and you have to cover your brake and gradually, nicely slow down. So when it says 40, 30, 20, that means those turns are sharp. So you have to be very careful. I'm gonna make a right turn. I will check my right side blind spot here, right signal on. I will come to a complete stop before solid white line. Check right side blind spot as well. Inch forward. Move when it's safe to do so. Take your time. On this road, there is no speed posted. So if there is no speed posted, we have to drive at 50. Checking your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. So we check our rear view mirror so that we will be aware about the traffic behind of us. Whenever you pass any intersection, make sure that you will scan both sides. So we have to scan before entering to the intersection, and no need to apply brake. A lot of people, they do a mistake here. They apply brake and then they scan. So don't do that. No need to apply brake. You will move at the speed is posted and you will scan while driving. So I'm gonna scan again. So left, right, left. I'm gonna do the lane change to the left. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and then I will do the lane change. Speed limit is 50 here. At upcoming traffic, we will go left. So if it's a lot of traffic, we can enter from the yellow line from here as well. Blind spot check. So now I'm gonna do a lane change to the right. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and I'm gonna do the lane change to the right. So I'm in a turning lane. My signal will remain on. 1 vehicle distance. Blind spot check. Come to a complete stop. Look at the traffic light. Inch forward. Scan. Check blind spot and move when it's safe to do so. So I'm gonna go to the highway again. 401 west. So it says right lane exit. So 30 is the recommended speed. I'm driving at 40 right now because I can control my car at 40. Go at the speed that you can control the car. And as soon as your car is getting straight, you have to make sure that you will start speeding up. You will not wait for the last minute to speed up. And do the merging when it's safe to do so. While driving on highway, try to keep 5 to 6 car distance. Your both hands has to be at 9-3 position on steering wheel. And try to maintain your speed. I hope you will like the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.